Hi students, here the first chapter of geometry for standard 10th we are going to start. The name of the chapter is Similarity. Similarity के concept को समझने के लिए पहले हमें समझना पड़ेगा कि what is the congruence of triangles. Then we can easily understand the similarity of triangles. So here some distinguish between are available in front of you. In any triangle, if you have noticed that there are three sides and three angles. So on that basis, we can decide whether the two triangles are congruent or similar. Let's start. Congruence of triangles. Two triangles are said to be congruent if their corresponding sides and corresponding angles are congruent. जब भी अगर दो ट्राइंगल्स के बीच में हम कंपेयर करते हैं तो अगर उनके साइड्स दोनों ट्राइंगल्स के साइड्स आप देख सकते हो देयर आर टू ट्राइंगल्स यहाँ पे 2 सेंटीमीटर 2 सेंटीमीटर 3 सेंटीमीटर 3 सेंटीमीटर 4 सेंटीमीटर 4 सेंटीमीटर so corresponding sides are congruent and even corresponding angles. Here we have shown the identical mark, then these two, then these three. So through identical marks you can understand that these angles are congruent and the sides are also congruent. So all corresponding sides are congruent and all corresponding angles are congruent. Then these two triangles are said to be congruent. So here now you can understand the basic definition of congruence of triangles. Two triangles are said to be congruent if their corresponding sides and corresponding angles are congruent. Corresponding sides means any side you can take which is looking like equal. So here through identical mark and through the measurement you can understand that these two sides are corresponding. So यहाँ पे हम देख सकते हैं कि ये दोनों corresponding sides है, फिर ये दोनों corresponding sides है और ये दोनों corresponding sides है. वैसे ही हमें corresponding angles भी चेक करने होते हैं. So अगर किसी दो triangles में आपको तीनों sides उन दोनों triangles की तीनों sides congruent हो मतलब equal हो और तीनों angles भी अगर congruent हो मतलब equal हो then we say that these two triangles are congruent. Now, what is the similarity of triangles? Two triangles are said to be similar if their corresponding sides are proportionate. Please understand the meaning. Corresponding sides are proportionate. Corresponding sides are proportionate and corresponding angles are congruent. मतलब अगर किसी दो ट्रायंगल्स के बीच मुझे कंपेयर करना है कि whether these two triangles are similar or not, then I will compare their sides. Here you can see that this is 2 centimeter, then this is 4 centimeter, exactly double. Here 3 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 8 centimeter. So we can say that the sides are proportionate. It means they are exactly double. So यहाँ पे जो स्मॉलर ट्रायंगल है और जो बिगर ट्रायंगल है उनका जब हम लोग कंपैरिजन करें तो यहाँ पे हमें पता चलता है कि स्मॉलर ट्रायंगल से ये जो बड़ा ट्रायंगल है ये एग्जैक्टली डबल साइड्स में है. सो देयर साइड्स आर एग्जैक्टली डबल. सो नाउ यू चेक द एंगल्स. एंगल्स आर कॉन्ग्रुएंट. प्लीज रिमेंबर ट्रायंगल छोटा हो या बड़ा हो angles congruent हो सकते हैं. So even though these angles are congruent, okay, so here all corresponding sides are proportionate and all corresponding angles are congruent. So what is the basic difference between congruence of triangle and similarity of triangles? The basic difference lies here. All corresponding sides are congruent. Here all corresponding sides are proportionate. कभी कोई sides दूसरे ट्राइंगल में हाफ हो सकती है, दैट इज 1/2 और डबल, और इवन इट मे बी 3 times, 4 times, but we call it as a they are similar if their sides are proportionate. Now one more thing, all congruent triangles are similar. Please remember, all congruent triangles are similar, but all similar triangles are not congruent. Why? If you see the ratio here, 2 centimeter 2 centimeter means they are proportionate, it is exactly 1. So उनका जो रेशियो है वो 1:1 है, जो दोनों भी अगर इक्वल है तो they are congruent also as well as they are similar. But all similar triangles are not congruent because their sides are not equal. So we got the conclusion that all congruent triangles are similar, but all similar triangles are not congruent. Okay, now I want to give you the best example of similar figure. Here, the best example for understanding the similar figure is India and its map. So actual India, if you take it, their border, and which you have seen in your textbook, the Indian map. Okay, so they are similar figure. Now I want to explain you the properties related to ratios of areas of two triangles. All of you know the formula of area of a triangle. Area of a triangle, half into base into height. So ratios of areas of two triangles, property 1. Ratio means the proportion. Here ratio of areas of two triangles, here we give the naming as triangle 1, triangle 2, is equal to the ratio of the products of their bases and corresponding heights. So here we can say that half into base 1 into height 1 upon half into base 2 into height 2. So B2 and H2 is for second triangle and B1 and H1 is for first triangle. Now if you cancel the constant part, that is half gets cancelled, what remains? Area of triangle 1 upon area of triangle 2 is equal to B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2. That is what here they want to say, ratio of the products of their bases, ratio of the products of their bases and corresponding heights. Now property 2, areas of triangles with equal heights are proportional to their corresponding bases. Now you can say that if heights are equal, say here H1 and H2 both are equal, then say suppose from this first property, if you cancel this part, what will remain? B1 upon B2. So whenever heights are equal, then the ratios of areas of two triangles depends upon corresponding bases. So here area of triangle 1 upon area of triangle 2 is equal to B1 upon B2. Now property 3. Here we assume that the bases are equal. So if bases are equal, then the ratios of areas of two triangles depends upon their corresponding heights. मतलब जब भी अगर सपोज हाइट्स इक्वल थे तो बेस के ऊपर डिपेंड था, जब बेसेस इक्वल है तो हाइट्स के ऊपर डिपेंड होगा. सो हियर एरियाज ऑफ ट्रायंगल्स विथ इक्वल बेसेस आर प्रोपोर्शनल टू देयर करस्पॉन्डिंग हाइट्स. सो जब भी बेस अगर इक्वल हो दोनों भी ट्रायंगल के, देन ratios of areas of two triangles depends upon their corresponding heights. So here we have seen all properties of ratios of areas of two triangles. We are solving the practice set 1.1. This practice set is based on all the properties which we have learned earlier. So let's start with the question number 1. Base of a triangle is 9 and height is 5. Base of another triangle is 10 and height is 6. Find the ratio of areas of these triangles. हमें इन दोनों triangles का ratio of areas find out करना है. So how we are going to find out? Let's start. Let the first triangle be A1 and the second triangle be A2. Base and height of first triangle be B1 and H1. Base and height of second triangle be B2 and H2. In short, हमने दो triangles को naming दिया. First triangle को we have given the name to the first triangle as A1 and A2 to the second triangle. B1 and H1 are the base and height of the first triangle, and B2 and H2 are the base and height of the second triangle. As you know, the first property, ratio of areas of two triangles, ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of products of their bases and corresponding heights. So the first property, ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of the products of their bases and corresponding heights. Now we have to find out area of triangle 1 upon area of triangle 2 is equal to B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2. Now what is the base of first triangle? The B1 is equal to 9 and the height of the first triangle is 5. Now base of another triangle is 10 and the height is 6. So we have to cancel it and we have to find out the final answer. So 5 ones are, 5 twos are, 3 twos are, 3 threes are. Here we got the answer. 3 ones are 3, 2 twos are 4. So the final answer is ratio of areas of two triangles is 3 upon 4. Here this is the final answer. Now we will move towards the second sum. Here what is given? Let's see. In figure, BC is perpendicular. BC is perpendicular to AB. Here you can see the 90-degree side. And AD is perpendicular to AB. BC is equal to 4. AD is equal to 8. Then find the area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADB. So we know that here what is given? BC is perpendicular to AB and AD is perpendicular to AB. Now BC is equal to 4 and AD is equal to 8. What we have to find out? We have to find out area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADB. Now we will go for the solution. Here we can understand that the base of both these triangles is equal. That is common. So we can say that the bases of both these triangles are equal. The base of both triangle ABC and triangle ADB are equal. So we use the property when the bases are equal. Areas of triangle with equal base are proportional to their corresponding heights. Here you can understand the base are equal for both the triangle. So here area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADB is equal to, see, if base are equal then it depends upon the height, that is BC, and here the height of triangle ADB is AD. So what is the height of triangle ABC? 4, and the height of triangle ADB is 8, that is the height is AD. So we got here area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADB is equal to 4 upon 8. Now, as you know, the cancellation is possible. So we can say that area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADB is equal to 1 upon 2. So your second answer finished. Here we will move now for the question number 3. We are solving now question number 3. In adjoining figure, segment PS is perpendicular to segment RQ. You can see here PS and RQ. So it is extended. Here you can see that it is perpendicular to RQ. Segment QT is perpendicular to segment PR. If RQ is equal to 6, PS is equal to 6 and PR is equal to 12, then find QT. We have to find out QT. Here in this question, what is given? Segment PS is perpendicular to segment RQ. Segment QT is perpendicular to segment PR. RQ is equal to 6, PS is equal to 6, PR is equal to 12. Now we have to find out QT. So the solution is, if we focus on this QT, here this is 6, this is given as 6 and it is given as 12. So अगर हम लोग फोकस करें QT पे, then it is a part of triangle PQR. और अगर हम लोग ध्यान से देखें तो PQR का बेस और ये हाइट भी हमें मालूम है, और यहां से देखें तो ये हुआ बेस एंड दिस इज हाइट. सो वी विल अप्लाई द फर्स्ट, वी विल फाइंड आउट एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल PQR is equal to half into base is what? QR, and height is PS, so half into QR is 6 and PS is also 6. So here we are getting 18 square units. हमने क्या किया, हमने पहले एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल PQR, जहां पे हमें बेस और हाइट मालूम है, वो हमने फाइंड आउट कर लिया. And now we will see that कि यही 18 square units हमें कैसे मिला. So area of triangle PQR, I have taken this base and this is as height. Always remember, slant height नहीं हो सकता, height is always perpendicular, so height is PS and area of triangle PQR का base जो बनेगा वो QR और height होगी PS. तो हमने क्या लिया, base QR 6 and height is also 6. So 2 1s are 2 3s are, so 6 3s are 18. We got the area of triangle PQR as 18 square units. Now this same value we will utilize again. Area of triangle PQR is equal to, again we will see that this is the base and this is height. So half of PR, half into PR, this is the base and this is height, into QT. In this triangle पहले बार हमने ये बेस लिया और ये हाइट लिया. एक बार हमें एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल PQR मिल गया, फिर हमने ये बेस लिया और ये हाइट लिया, बिकॉज दिस इज 90 डिग्री, सो वी कैन कंसीडर दिस एज अ हाइट एंड दिस एज अ बेस. एंड इफ यू सी फ्रॉम हियर, देन दिस इज द बेस एंड दिस इज हाइट. So area of triangle PQR we already knows 18, then half into PR we already know, and now we want to find out QT. So we will take all the values on the opposite side. So 18 into 2 divided by 12. What remains? QT. Now you know that 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18. And 2 also cancel, so QT is equal to 3 1s are 3 units. Here we got the final answer. QT is equal to 3 units. Now we are solving question number 4. Here it is given that in adjoining figure AP is perpendicular to BC, AD is parallel to BC, then find area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle BCD. So let's see what is given. AP is perpendicular to BC, AD is parallel to BC. What we have to find out? Area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle BCD. And now if you notice here, in area of triangle ABC, BC is the base and height is AP. But for triangle BCD, here we are getting the base but we are not getting height, so I will take it as a construction and I will draw a line. Here DE is perpendicular to BC. So I will write construction Draw DE perpendicular to BC. And now the solution. In triangle ABC, BC is the base and AP is the height. Similarly, you can see that in triangle BCD, BC is the base and DE is the height. So we know that there is a common base and DE is perpendicular to BC. Similarly, AP is also perpendicular to BC. So there is a common base. Now it is given that AD is perpendicular to BC. So height of both triangles are equal. So here we can say that AP is equal to DE. So here we got this, AP is equal to DE. We can give it a number 1. Now we will find out the ratio of areas of triangle ABC upon area of triangle BCD. All of you knows that first property, ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of the product of their bases and corresponding heights. So here we will write BC is the base and AP is the height. Similarly, in second triangle BCD, BC is the base and DE is the height. Here, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle BCD is equal to BC into AP upon BC into AP. Why we are writing instead of D as AP? Because here we got it from 1. Now, as we know that these are equal, okay, so we can do the cancellation. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle BCD is equal to 1 upon 1. It means that area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle BCD is equal to 1 is to 1. This is your final answer. Now we will solve question number 5. Before solving this question, again we will revise all the properties. Here the first property of ratios of areas of two triangles is ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of the products of their bases and corresponding heights. You know कि दो triangles के areas का ratio किस पर depend है? तो बेस और हाइट के प्रोडक्ट्स पे. प्रोडक्ट्स मींस मल्टीप्लिकेशन. एंड नाउ एरियाज ऑफ ट्रायंगल्स विद इक्वल हाइट्स आर प्रोपोर्शनल टू द करस्पॉन्डिंग बेसेस. अब अगर हाइट्स भी इक्वल होगी तो किस पर डिपेंड होगा? बेस पे. नाउ द थर्ड प्रॉपर्टी, एरियाज ऑफ ट्रायंगल्स विद इक्वल बेसेस आर प्रोपोर्शनल टू द करस्पॉन्डिंग हाइट्स. और अगर बेस इक्वल होगा तो किस पर डिपेंड होगा? हाइट्स पे. Now we will solve this sum. In the adjoining figure, PQ is perpendicular to BC and AD is perpendicular to BC, then find the following ratios. Here some ratios we have to find out. The first, area of triangle PQB अपॉन एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल PBC। ध्यान से देखेंगे तो दोनों में भी हाइट PQ है विच इज कॉमन। सो अगर इक्वल हाइट्स होगा तो किस पर डिपेंड होगा? करस्पॉन्डिंग बेसिस पे। सो PQB का बेस होगा BQ एंड PBC का बेस होगा BC। Here I will write property 2. You have to write it completely. Now, second, area of triangle PBC upon area of triangle ABC. PBC, please check the triangle PBC. So here we got the PQ as height and BC as the base. Then area of triangle ABC. Again BC is the base and AD is the height. So we can say here PQ upon AD. Why? Because if you have noticed in both the triangle BC is common and that is a base. So we will say that the ratios of areas of two triangles depends upon their heights. So PQ upon AD, I will write property 3. As there are equal bases, so it depends upon their heights. You have to write it completely. Students may write here, please completely you have to write all the properties. Now, third question, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADC. If you have noticed triangle ABC में AD हाइट है, BC बेस है, और ADC में AD हाइट है और DC बेस है. In both the triangle you have noticed that heights are equal, so it depends upon the corresponding bases. So हमें ABC का बेस देखना पड़ेगा. ABC का बेस है BC और ADC का बेस है DC. I will write property 2. Now, fourth one, area of triangle ADC upon area of triangle PQC. Now, please check area of triangle ADC and area of triangle PQC. Both of them have a different base and different heights. So we will use the first property that ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of the products of their bases and corresponding heights. So ADC में अगर बेस देखे तो DC है और हाइट देखे तो AD है. And then in PQC base is QC and height is PQ. Here I will write property 1. Please you write it completely all the properties which I have written here. And so with this question number 5 we have completed practice set 1.1. Thank you.